Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. Brighter Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to use batch link in Bluebeam Revu. Batch link is a feature only found in the Extreme edition of Revu. It is designed to dramatically speed up the time it takes to hyperlink an entire drawing set. It will create hyperlinks based on the information found in the drawing's file name, a page label, or page region. This multi-page drawing is a perfect example of a document that can benefit from batch link. Batch link can work with a multi-page drawing or group of documents. To use batch link, in the menu bar, go to Batch. Select Link. Then choose New. The first step is to add the file or files you want to run batch link on. You can add all the open files, but you can also add files from your hard drive or entire folders and subfolders. Click Next, and you'll get the batch link dialog box, where you can set up search terms and run the process. You need to generate a list of search terms for Revu to hyperlink. You can pull search terms from the document's file name, a page region, or page labels. For multi-page documents, page regions or page labels that are already set up are the best choice. With a group of single-page documents like the folder of architectural sheets we added in the last step, the file name is a good choice. Now click on Settings. This gives you the options to filter the created search terms based on characters in the search. You may only want to search for the page number like A1.01, A2.21, and so on, not necessarily the full title of the document. In the Filter Mode drop-down menu, select Filter from Start, and then make sure the filter character is correct for your settings. In this example, the space was the first divider. Revu will ignore any information found after the first instance of that character. If you used a different character to divide up your title, an underscore, space, or period, you can use that option instead. If your page number came at the end of the title instead of the beginning, you would select first from end, instead. Click OK. Then click Generate. Now you will see the search terms listed below and what they link to. A1.01 is going to hyperlink to the appropriate page and so on. All of the terms are listed. Before starting the hyperlinking process, notice some options here at the bottom. Some prefer to edit their batch links search terms in Excel rather than rerunning batch link if they get updates to their drawing set. You can select Export to create an Excel file that includes all the search terms. So, if you need to add, edit, or remove any of the terms, you can manually do that and then import it back in by opening batch link up again, clicking on Import and bringing that file in. You can also save your entire batch link configuration file, so you are able to reuse it in another process. This includes any search terms and any filters or enabled options. If you were to choose this option, the next time you wanted to run batch link and access this file, from the menu bar you could select Batch, and click on Link, and you would see the name of your configuration on that list and you would select that instead of New. Finally, before running batch link, click on Link Options. This is where you can select, use relative paths, and case-sensitive and whole words only for your search options. If you would like to highlight those links, you can check the relevant boxes. Customizing the color to your choice. We also will want to tell Revu what to do if it finds any existing hyperlinks under overlap behavior. This will either overwrite any existing ones or maintain the existing ones. Depending on what you're doing and your needs, pick the best ones for you. In this example we will choose to overwrite existing, as this should be an entirely new process. Select OK and now we can run the batch link process. In just a few seconds Revu has created a number of different hyperlinks, which will definitely save you a lot of time. If you want to see the details of all the links created, you can click on Details to get a batch search summary. Finally, when we click on Finish you will notice on our index sheet that all the pages are hyperlinked. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.